Okay, welcome to another episode of this saga regarding Android Auto and the Zlink app on my Dasaita head unit. Dasaita have sent me an APK file for the Zlink app, which I'm going to install now using the APK installer which comes with the head unit. And there it is, sitting on the root of my USB key. Alright, personal data, etc, etc. Do you want to install an update to a built-in application? So this is interesting. It says that the application's a built-in one, but obviously I don't see it at the moment. So I'm going to say yes, install. Alright, app installed. So let's see what happens when we press open. Okay, channel mismatch. Don't know what that means. Some iPhone instructions here. Nothing about Android, although the help desk did tell me I need to plug my phone in. So let's do that. Exit out of here. Make sure all of these apps are properly closed. Alright, I've got a cable here to plug my phone in, so I'm going to do that. Okay, phone is plugged in. Nothing's come up automatically, so let's go back into Zlink. And again, channel mismatch, and I suppose there's nothing. Oh, there's a settings menu here, various icons, and so on, driver side and so on. Nothing here about Android Auto though. So it doesn't look as if it's working. Let me see what happens when we restart the head unit. Let's see if it takes a restart to take effect. So turning off now. Okay, back on again, and I'll disconnect the phone. Alright, back up. Let's go back to Zlink. And what do you know, it's disappeared, almost as if the unit knows that it's not supposed to be there and it's hidden it again. So I suppose I'll try plugging in my phone. And no, nothing at all coming up. There is a firmware update on that USB key as well. Okay, so nothing at all going on here. Obviously Zlink has disappeared again despite being installed. The support have asked me to take the head unit out and get them some photos of the labels on it so that they can tell if they've sent me the right unit. I don't know what will happen if they haven't, but more to come.